Let's learn to speak English.
Where were you last night?
I was at home.
What were you doing?
I was sleeping in bed.
Did you go to the market?
Yes, I went to the market.
When did you go to the market?
I went to the market in the evening.
Did you go alone?
No, I went with my sister.
Who accompanied you?
My sister accompanied me.
What was she wearing?
She was wearing a top and a skirt.
Was your sister the one in the red skirt?
No, she was the one in the blue skirt.
What did you buy from the market?
We bought chocolate and chips from the market.
How did you go there?
We went walking.
How did you come back?
We came back by bus.
Did you find everything you needed at the market?
Yes, we found everything there.
Were the goods expensive?
Yes, they were rather expensive.
Where was your dad yesterday?
My dad went to the office.
How did he go to the office?
He went to the office in his car.
Did your mom go to work yesterday?
No, she stayed at home.
Why didn't she go to the office?
She didn't go because it was her day off.
What did you have for dinner last night?
We had chicken for dinner last night.
Who cooked dinner?
My mom cooked dinner.
Did you help her cook dinner?
No, I didn't help her.
What did you do yesterday?
I watched TV.
Did you go to bed early last night?
No, I went to bed late.
Where did you go on the weekend?
I went to the park.
With whom did you go there?
I went there with my family.
Did you clean your room this morning?
No, I didn't clean it.
Why didn't you clean your room?
I didn't clean it because I didn't have the time.